How to add or change your primary featured video on your profile on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Vimeo. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go here on your profile, click on edit profile like this, and it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do on this page is just go right here to this work option and click on it like this, and now go here and you will find featured video. Click here on upload and then you will be able to upload your video, and easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.